What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you have been following me for a while. In today's video, we are going to repair one of my cyclone grenades, which I am missing a bit. Found it. So, essentially, if your grenade goes bad or whatnot, Airsoft Innovations has repair kits for the Cyclone. However, I believe everyone is now buying the Tornado 2, so this may be relevant, this may not be relevant. But stay tuned. Okay, so in this grenade, it is completely empty. This is what we will be dropping the repair kit into, and what we'll do is use said grenade that I repaired previously. So you want to make sure that this is discharged. So you want to make sure this pin here is vertical instead of at an angle. I will show you that. So this would be charged or may not be charged, but you want to make sure that it is disengaged and you have no gas in it. So you can always just take this, toss it to the ground with iPro just in case in a safe area, and you will pop that pin, which drops that into a bunch of voodoo. So after you discharge your grenade, you will twist counterclockwise, and this piece obviously it doesn't want to cooperate today, but the head of the grenade will come right off, and same with the bottom of the grenade. Now as you can see, there is hollow, nothing in this one, and there's something in here. So the little bit in this repair kit, you have 2 O-rings, which will be used to repair the head of the grenade, the cyclone grenade. But looking at this one here, the O-rings look to be fine, so we will not be repairing or replacing the O-rings on that, and I'll keep them for a rainy day. Now, if your O-rings are bad on this grenade and you just want to replace these ones, the kit does not come with O-rings. It comes with an entire piston, fuse, what's it say? So the fill valve seals and fuse head seals. So I'm assuming this whole thing is just the fuse and fill valve. But you have a small hole on one end, and you have a bigger hole on the other end. And what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and press the small to, so the bottom of the grenade to the top of the grenade. So the reason why this one will pop out easy is because, like I said, I repaired this one before, so it's still pretty oily from the silicone oil. So basically you pull that from the kit. I will always do a little bit of silicone oil around the O-rings just to give it a little bit of lube, and then you just drop it in place, and that's it. Fill it with gas, listen for any leaks. Well, I mean, obviously you want to make sure that it is flush. Depress the head, push the pin forward, and lock it in place. twist, lock it down, and fill with gas. Don't put any BBs in it, but fill with gas. Make sure you have your iPro. Listen for any leaks, and if there are no leaks, then just line up this little nub there to that little hole right up here, and locked. And once you're in a safe area, you just toss, and once it hits, it will discharge this bit here, and it will drop, releasing your gas. And then if that works, lube it up again and fill with BBs, bombs away. Now, that was my quick little tidbit on how to repair your cyclone grenade. One thing I did forget to mention, well, I didn't forget to mention, but what I forgot to tell you guys is make sure you do have your grenade oil or any silicone oil. This one is medium weight. This one did come from Airsoft Innovations. But you could use whatever silicone oil that you have been using with your grenades, and then that is it. So if you found this video informative, just leave a like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you all on the next one. Peace.